Hey guys, PMHK here obviously. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also click the notification bells button so you can get notified with so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. I don't know where I'm rushing to, but anyways, in this video we're doing sort of a tech haul, but the twist is this tech haul is Homekit smart home automation, and we're gonna be taking a quick look at them and just go through some of the most significant functionality that they do. But one thing that all these devices here have in common is that the price range of them is quite affordable, although they're HomeKit, because some HomeKit devices tend to be a little bit on the expensive side. So we have two devices from a company called omvis, and then we have one from switchbot, and also we have a camera from Eufy. So we're going to start with the omvis devices. Let's put these ones on the side and start with the omvis smart contact sensor. Now this is a contact sensor that you can put either on a window, on a door, or even on a cabinet door, so that you can get notifications whenever that device itself is open. Other things that you can do with such a device is have it to trigger other device. So what you can do maybe is set an automation where whenever this device is detected, or when this device is triggered, or for example, let's say a door is open, you can set it to actually turn on a light, give you some notification on your HomeKit device, start the fan, start the AC, turn off, turn on the TV, so forth. Those devices here, because also it connects directly to HomeKit, they don't really require a hub. Let's see what the box says. Contact sensor, a smart contact sensor, works with HomeKit. This one here specifically states in the box that it works with HomeKit, which is a plus. Most of the devices that we previously saw didn't have that sign on the box. And then you have download Apple Store there. I'm pretty sure also this device comes with its own app that you can actually install straight on the app, if I'm not mistaken, but you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Inside the box you have literature, and then you also have some sticky tapes or sticker, two-sided tape for you to stick your device on a surface. And then you have the device itself here. It's actually quite small. It comes already with two-sided tape already at the back, and then we have the other one, which is actually the two devices that you stick in the door and then on the frame, and as soon as they open the door and it detects that it's not in sight or in sync, because they have to be actually this is how you connect it, they have to be aligned when they install, and as soon as they disalign, it gives you the notification that the door is open. The next one is the omvis temperature, motion and humidity sensor. Now this one will most definitely show on your HomeKit as three different triggers or buttons, one for the motion, the other one for temperature, and the other for humidity sensor. Now this is the omvis SMS1. It detects motion, temperature, humidity. It records smart motion sensor, shows motion detection, temperature, humidity, records that can be checked with omvis home app. So you can actually have a record of the humidity and temperature in different dates, most probably. Also gives you notification and automatic triggers as well. And as I mentioned in the beginning, you can actually also add these both devices into their own omvis app, which is what one of these signs here show. So inside the box, again, we should be expecting the omvis device, and again, you guys can see there the HomeKit sign, which shows that it's compatible with HomeKit. And then on the inside we have the device itself. Now I don't know where this device would place, but this is like those ones that you would actually place on the corner of your house, top corner, and it will detect motion, and it will also record the humidity on the room that you're going to have this device, and as well as the temperature. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, so it looks like it takes batteries. Yes, it takes AAA batteries right there if you want to connect, and will also actually come with extra stickers, and obviously it also includes the starting guide. There we go. It has a sticker and it has also tools for you to actually mount it on the wall if you don't want to use the double-sided tape that is included on the box. So this device also can be connected to other devices that are already on your home kit for you to trigger other sensors. You can do such thing as maybe if the room gets to a certain temperature, it should trigger the AC to go on, or should trigger the light to go on, or maybe the fan, also the humidity sensor. You're also gonna be able to join it with a smart humidifier so that when the humidity in the room is up or below a certain number, the humidifier should get triggered and maybe turn on and balance the humidity of the actual room itself. Now this one is the switchbot. This is a switchbot, and in the box obviously you get some information. It says that this device is accessible with voice command or in-app control, mechanically presses rocker switch or button. Now this is a funny device that I'm not going to use, or it's really not, it's not made for me. It's mainly made for people that live in a rental apartment and they cannot actually change their switch, or maybe if you have a device like a kettle that you don't want to upgrade to a smart kettle. This guy here has a little sort of mechanical arm that if it's triggered, it will actually just go zzz and press the button. One instance that you can actually use this guy here is maybe to turn on your PC. You can use the button to actually just stick on top of the PC, and when you trigger it, it's going to go down and press the actual button. Now this guy here comes in sort of a similar box as those other devices, as much as they are not the same brand. Now this guy smells like a tech device. Well, I sort of like the smell. Yeah, these ones don't smell like anything, but this one here has that brand new tech smell to it. I like it. So behind the box, you have some barcode, you have some instruction there. You can use it to a light switch, coffee machine, as I had mentioned, or computer also. It's there, and maybe a thermostat also. That's some typical places where you would use them. It shows you to download the app, set the bot, and then control the bot. Now, I just pulled the tab that turns the device on. Damn it! I thought I was peeling this plastic here, but I peeled the wrong plastic. Let's maybe set it up, and we're going to try it out. Alright, so I've managed to download the app. This was actually one of the fastest smart devices I've ever set up that didn't directly use Homekit. Yes, it unfortunately doesn't work directly with Homekit, but it works with Siri shortcuts. So all I had to do was download the app, and it actually automatically detected the device, and it was actually ready to use. So all I have to do is, if you stick this into an actual device, let's say I put it on top of maybe my PC, so that whenever I want it to power on, I power on automatically. All I do is I stick it there, come to the phone and press the button, and it presses the device just like that. Let's try that again. So I have the device right there. If I press the button, and that's basically it. And then again, one reason I'm not going to be using this device is that I really don't mind changing my actual switches, because I don't pay rent, or I'm not renting, so I can fish it with the house as much as I want to. But for somebody that is renting but still wants to have that smart switch functionality, or just have it on maybe your coffee machine or your kettle, this is actually one device that I would recommend. And for the size and for the fact that it actually works really fast, or you set it up really fast and it works as it advertised, it's actually good. Then again, this thing supports Alexa, works with Google, supports Siri shortcut, supports if this then that. It works with SmartThings, and it works with Clover which I've actually never heard of Clover before. Okay, so this one here is the Eufy security cam. Although I've been eyeing the other model of the Eufy outside security cam, it comes in 2 and with the hub. This one here, I think it's specifically made so that it actually also works with Homekit Secure. I'm again looking for the Homekit, but I cannot find the Homekit. Or let's just go inside and see if we can use it without the hub. All right, so we are already open. Again, I always forget to read what's on the box. You guys actually like when I read what's on the box? Let me know down in a comment if you are still watching up to now. And also, to confuse the people that don't actually watch the entire video, I want you guys to comment down pick me. So just say pick me and see chaos erupt down in the comments. Now, this is the Eufy security cam 2K resolution, indoor security cam with 2K resolution and on-device AI technology. Eufy security cam. This actually would also work nice with as a baby monitor. Okay, you can have a live view and recording view. It has advanced AI for human and pet detection, and you get smart notification. And that's about the most important things that you get on the actual box. Now, on the inside, you should expect the camera itself and some of its accessories. So inside the box, that's all you get. And then you have the camera itself, which I'm failing to open, but let's see what's on this side first. So you have most probably a USB-C cable, because most new devices now are using USB-C. So I'm also expecting this one to be, have a go. Oh no, it's not a USB-C. So it has a USB-A to micro USB cable connection, and then you have the power brick, which uses an American standard power brick. And then inside the box you have those screws and the mount for, this is the mount for the wall mount after you use the screws. You have a sticker as well, and then you have some literature for you to go through if you fail to understand how to set up your device. So it also has a two-way audio communication. I don't know if I spoke about that. And it works with voice control. You can get a clear view of the night, smart detection zone, and the key is in the detail, as it's something that actually I try to live by. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Okay, so let's actually see the device itself. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to try, as I already know that I need a hub for me to try, unless I can find a Homekit secure code. Is this a Homekit secure code? I'm guessing it might actually be. So let's see if I can set up this device. All right, so I managed to find a power bank for me to connect it directly to a power bank. I saw that it uses 5 volt, and I think this power bank is capable of delivering way more than 5 volts. So it should work. Okay, it says remove the film. Let's remove this film here. And I can see the device is already on, which is actually a plus. So with Homekit, all you have to do is go where you add the device, you add new accessory. They ask you to scan, and then you scan the Homekit, and then you say add to home, and it should actually just be that easy. I'm actually probably gonna have to select which room it is, but this may take a few minutes. So
2 weeks later.
All right, so it's been a couple of weeks since we did the unboxing of the Eufy security cam 2K. I kind of struggled to set it up. I was going straight to Homekit to set the camera up, but that was the wrong methodology to use. When you buy this camera, you're gonna have to first download the Eufy security app and go to the app and install it from the app. And once it's installed, there is an option on your settings that allows you to automatically add the camera itself to the Homekit side of things straight from the Eufy app. Now, it's been sitting in the living room for the past 2 weeks or so, and I've actually been playing around with it. It also comes with a motion sensor, which is good when it comes to do those automations. But let me show you actually what shows me on my Homekit app on the iPhone. But right now, this is what it shows me. It shows me under my favorite. As you guys can see, I have some of my favorite items there, including the kitchen home pod and the male Sonos, and we have the favorite camera down there. Right now, this was the last frame, so it updates every 10 seconds if you just there. But if you click on it, you can actually see a live view of the camera. As you guys can see there, if you guys can actually try and catch me on the camera and on the HomeKit. One thing that you need to remember is when you edit to HomeKit, you're not going to, especially when you edit to HomeKit Secure, you're not going to be able to have the 2K capability. It will only record at 1080p, unfortunately. If you want to take advantage of the full resolution of this camera, you're going to have to only use the Eufy security app. As you guys can see, you have some option there. I can close, I can go and press on the live there. As you guys can see, it's not working because it's actually currently live right now. You can actually also backtrack to see what happened throughout the day. One thing that I actually appreciate about this camera and the feed is that when it's live, it's actually straight up live and it doesn't really struggle too much. One other thing also that I tried is I have an app on my Apple TV called Day View, where you can actually also see the camera and you can have it like a permanent display on the TV, so you can actually monitor your house. But mainly on the HomeKit side of things on the Apple TV, you can actually also hold the menu button and it will bring you the HomeKit side. You go scroll down to your HomeKit place where the camera, your favorite items are, and you also see the camera right there. And one thing also that you can add on the settings of the Apple TV is for you to get notified whenever the camera detects movement. So even if you're watching TV or you're watching a movie and there is movement, let's say outside, a notification with a feed will pop up in front of you and you will be able to tell what's going on outside. Those are some of the things that you're going to be able to do with this guy here set up on HomeKit. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Obviously, as usual, if you have any question on the things that I unboxed right here on this video, make sure you leave your questions down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for clicking that notification bells button, and I am definitely gonna catch you guys on my next video. Peace.